Welcome to the product tour of StockVision AI Pro, the advanced market intelligence ecosystem. StockVision AI Pro is an AI-driven platform designed strictly for research and education, featuring cloud strict sync and unified signals. The Research and Academy Hub features an AI station manager that automatically selects daily video lessons like the Daily Spotlight. Our continuous learning integration provides curated educational content in the Academy to help you understand the why behind market movements. The Web Research Hub ensures secure validation with integrated browser search, direct URL access, and quick apps for efficient external research. Finally, the Unified Command Center centralizes AI-generated market bias, signal strength, and global market data for traders and analysts. StockVision AI Pro, empowering your market research with advanced intelligence. Welcome to StockVision AI Pro. Let's explore the powerful features of our market intelligence platform. StockVision AI Pro offers extensive global market reach, covering equities across the Americas, EMEA, and APAC regions for comprehensive analysis. Our platform delivers multi-asset intelligence, tracking diverse instruments from commodities and crypto to ETFs and Forex with real-time data precision. Go beyond simple price action with smart tracking. Our model outlook identifies technical market phases like accumulation and distribution to clarify structural behavior. Utilize our comprehensive fundamental analysis toolkit, featuring key metrics like P/G ratios, free cash flow, and debt-to-equity measures to evaluate value and risk. Designed strictly for research and education, StockVision AI prioritizes your privacy and data security while ensuring transparent governance. StockVision AI, precision and clarity for your financial research.
Welcome to StockVision AI Pro, Cloud version 2.6, an AI-driven market intelligence platform engineered for advanced financial research. Designed for traders and analysts, our dashboard provides real-time market bias and signal strength. Please note, this tool is strictly for educational purposes only. Our intelligent watch lists go beyond simple price tracking. Monitor health and sentiment with key metrics like P, E, and debt-to-equity ratios. This is pure analytics, not a portfolio. Dive deep into our market intelligence. Structure analyzes historical patterns, while Outlook identifies technical phases like accumulation or distribution. Remember, all model-derived data is probability-based and hypothetical. Make informed decisions with StockVision AI.
StockVision AI Pro, Research Hub with AI lessons, continuous academy learning, secure web research, unified command center, global market reach, multi-asset intelligence, smart tracking phases, fundamental analysis toolkit, governance and privacy, unified signals, intelligent watch lists, understand the signal, compliance and trust, upgrade to Pro. Log into StockVision today.